Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to blow your mind with an incredible text-to-video AI tool that'll leave you in awe. Say hello to Kling AI. First things first, head over to the Kling AI website. Don't worry, I've dropped the link in the description for you. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials and let's dive into this AI wonderland. On the Kling AI homepage, you'll see three options: text-to-image, text-to-video, and video editor. We're focusing on the text-to-video feature today, so let's zero in on that. Take a moment to check out some of the mind-blowing samples they've crafted. The level of detail is insane.
Who am I? Am I dreaming? What is hunger? It's the spirit of adventure that never gets full.
Now let's get down to business. Navigate to the text-to-video section. You can kickstart your video with a specific image if you want, but we're going full-on text prompt today. Time to let your imagination run wild. You've got options to tweak how creative or relevant you want the video to be. For us free users, we're working with the standard mode, but trust me, it's still impressive. Choose your video duration from the available options and specify the aspect ratio. Don't forget to select the number of generations you want. Want to add some flair? Play around with camera motion settings. And here's a pro tip: use negative prompts to avoid any unwanted elements in your video. It's like telling the AI what you don't want. Pretty cool, right? All right, moment of truth. Hit that generate button and watch the AI work its magic. In no time, you'll have 3 unique generations to choose from. Take a good look at the insane level of detail in each video. It's mind-boggling how we can create this just by typing a few words. That's all for today, folks. If this blew your mind as much as it did mine, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more AI wizardry. Got questions? The comment section is wide open. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.